Ever felt like you don't actually own the Kindle books you paid for? Most Kindle books are in proprietary formats, meaning you can't open them on other devices. To break those chains, you need to convert them to PDF. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to turn your Kindle ebooks into universal PDFs. The tool we're using today is BookFab Kindle Converter. BookFab is software developed by DVDFab dedicated to ebook and audiobook conversion. With its Kindle Converter module, you can turn your Kindle books into PDFs or EPUBs without losing any quality, so you can read them on any device you want. Alright, let's jump straight into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare the software. Before we start, we need to get our tools ready. You will need two pieces of software: the official Kindle for PC app and BookFab. Remember, the installation order is crucial. If you don't already have Kindle for PC installed on your computer, you must install it first, and then install BookFab. If you mix this up, the software won't be able to detect your books. Step 2. Prepare your Kindle books. Open up your Kindle for PC app. Once you've signed in, the app will automatically detect your account and sync your library. If your books don't show up, you can just click the sync button. Then select the books you want to convert and double-click the covers, or right-click and hit download to save them to your local drive. Once downloaded, open BookFab and head over to the Kindle Converter module on the left. BookFab will automatically scan and import all the ebooks you downloaded from the Kindle app. If they don't show up, click the refresh button or restart Kindle for PC. Step 3. Set output format to PDF. By default, BookFab might be set to output as EPUB. Since we want PDFs today, let's quickly change that. Click this 3-line menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left, click Book Downloads, then scroll down to Kindle Converter. Right here, change the output format to PDF. Hit OK to save. Step 4. Start the conversion. Back in the main window, check the boxes next to the books you want to convert. Then click the Convert and Decrypt button. BookFab will immediately get to work, stripping away the restrictions and turning your Kindle books into PDFs. Once the conversion is complete, just hover over the book's cover and click the little folder icon to open the output folder. Right here, you'll find your newly converted Kindle book in PDF format. Let's open the PDF and take a look. Yeah, as you can see, the layout is perfect with zero formatting issues. Now you're free to highlight, take notes, and read however you like. That wraps up today's tutorial. A quick reminder, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please always respect local copyright laws. Leave a comment if you have questions or want more BookFab guides. Also, to stay updated on their latest features, check out BookFab website and socials. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. See you next time.